Hey roses. Now if you've watched some of my previous videos, or if you follow me on Instagram, you know already how much I love Teacup Cosmetics. It's a female black owned business by one of my friends who has supported what I do, and I supported what she does since way back. And so I wanted to share with you guys some of the new lipsticks I got from her. So if you already saw earlier, I showed a little bit of the swatches on my hand, and that was in natural light in my living room, which is kind of, you know, not completely well lit, but it was natural lighting, so I want you guys to see that. And so now what I'm going to do is try the two colors that I ordered from her. One of them is called Sexy, and it's a liquid to matte lipstick. And the other one is called Twilight, and this is a liquid lipstick. Now I know the purple, this is a purple, it's pretty dark, it's vamp season, you guys. It is officially fall, so you want to bring out those darker lips. And with me, purple is all year round because, as I said before, purple is my favorite color. So I'm going to go ahead and try these on my lips. You guys take a look. Again, natural lighting, and we'll go from there. I didn't wear any other piece of makeup. I just wanted to just do this really quick. So here we go. Beautiful, isn't it? Okay, now for the next one. I'm just going to wipe this off on this towel real quick. Okay, so now to try this Sexy. I needed a brown. So, you know I had to get it from Teacup Cosmetics, right? You guys, these lippies glide on smooth, feel super moisturizing, and then they dry down matte. And I have so many different other colors from her, so let me tell you, I can tell you for sure, if you want to go ahead and get some new colors, either vampy colors, get your reds together for the season, get some nudes, you need to go to teacup.com. I'll go ahead and leave the link in my in the description box, and make sure you follow Teacup Cosmetics on Instagram. Okay, so in the time it took me to say that, it's already drying down. It feels wonderful. It's not tacky. See what I tell you? Okay, and a wonderful surprise. She always sends me a little something extra, and I appreciate it because she doesn't have to do it. Like I said, I support her, which means I love to purchase my lippies from her. It's my favorite lippy company, you guys. Period. So anyway, she sent me, what is this called? It's called Trinity. And it's a lip gloss. And it's something because I've been looking for a lip gloss that's this color. And now I have one. And she also sent me a lip liner, and this is just, you know, standard brown color. And you know, if you're a woman of color, or maybe not even a woman of color, I like to pair any of my new colors, pinks, things of that, you know, colors of that nature. I like to pair it with a brown liner, and she sent one. So we're gonna go ahead and try this gloss with the liner. Let me get this off, which has completely dried. Now what I normally do, I don't use any fancy lipstick remover or anything for my matte lipsticks. I just put some good old Vaseline, or if I have some cocoa butter or something, you know, that has some oil in it. Even coconut oil rub it on my lips, and then wipe it on off. See what I mean? Just that simple. Okay, so let's go ahead and try. What did I do with the lip liner? Okay, y'all. I had it. Okay, so now that I have down the lip liner, let's go ahead and line these lips. And this lip liner is actually really smooth, moisturizing. It's not hard, and the color comes off nicely. Okay. Oh, that's cute. So anyway, you guys, Teacup Cosmetics, girl, she hooked me up again. And hold on. And with Teacup Cosmetics, anytime you order from there, the name is Teacup Cosmetics. So if you got a teacup, you need some tea. So, you know, she sent me 2 things of tea. I appreciate that. And she sent me a card. That was nice. And it says, thanks. Olena, you already know. Thank you so much for your continued support. You guys go ahead and make sure you go support my girl, okay? Again, Teacup Cosmetics. I wouldn't steer you wrong. Make sure you go ahead and leave me a comment on what you guys think. Let me know if you've already ordered from Teacup Cosmetics. Let me know if you plan to order. Like this video. Give it a thumbs up, okay? I appreciate anyone who takes the time to watch. So if you're watching, give me a thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe. Other than that, I'll talk to you roses later. Bye.